Hi friends, this is 5 Mustak YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can change background of a project in Adobe Premiere Rush. Suppose if you are editing video using Adobe Premiere Rush, if you have a black background in your project, you can change it to other background. You can change color of black into other color like pink, blue or any other color. See here, what I am going to do is here I loaded one project. I created one project, and suppose if you are seeing a black screen like this in this part, if you want to change this background, this black background to any other, go to this text icon and click on add graphic. Then here you go to choose transition graphics, and in the search box just type solid, and you will see white background label here. Just select it and it will be added to the timeline. Yes, it has been added like this, and also you can increase or decrease the added graphic. Just you can uh, pick up and track it to wherever you want. You can cover it to entire length of your video, or you can cover it to some particular length of your video. Here I cut other part of the video, and yes, this is the case. And if you want to change, now select the graphic, and here you can change color. Click and select any other decide color here and click OK. Yes, white is changed to pink now. You can also change the outline. This is outline, and by default it is in white color. You can also change it to other color for outline, black or any other color you can pick up. And now you go to rearrange these two graphic and your video. Just track video to the upper timeline here. Track it to the track it about to the graphic. So now see the change. Black background is changed to some other. In this way also you can add some other picture, that is like white background. You can insert any other from your local drive and change it. That's all friends, bye.